JDCap 26, just do tips and tips and hobbies. Welcome to my channel, girls and guys. I want to show you on the iPhone a little application that I didn't know about. And how you get it is you swipe down from the right hand corner to the left hand corner like that. Okay, you see that? And right down here, see that button right there? That's a record button. That record button, you can record like things that goes wrong with your iPhone, okay? And you you hit the record, you wait 3 seconds, hit the record, and then you go to the application you're having a problem with in the iPhone, iOS, and then after you're done, you hit record again, and it saves it in your photos. Okay, it'll save it up in your photos up here. And then the reason how I found out about this little application was I'm having a problem with my mail, and I went to tier 2 level Apple, and they're looking at it and trying to figure out why there's a problem in the mail. Okay, not with your phone, with my phone. And they're going to get back to me in either Friday or the 22nd to figure it out. But I thought that was a really cool application. Besides doing screenshots, you can do that too. You can record. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.